students, welcome to today's class. Our today's topic is short questions from chapter 1. Okay, let's begin. Our first question is write 57,363 in figures. That is, we have to write this number in figures, that is digits. So what will be its answer and how can we write this? To write this type of question, at first we have to see that how many thousands or hundreds or numbers are given here. Then we write this as rough at first and then we will solve this question. Like here, 57,000 is the first three words, 57,000. So at first we have to write 57,000 here. 57,000. You know, for 1000 we use 3 zeros. Okay, so 57 and 3 zeros will be 57,000. So this is the first part. Now move on to second part, 300s. Here there are 300. So 300 means 2 zeros. So 300. And then finally 63. So here 63. Now if we add these three numbers, we will get 0 plus 0 plus 3 equal to 3, 0 plus 0 plus 6 equal to 6, 0 plus 3 will be 3, and then here will be 7, here will be 5. So the final answer is 57,363. So we write the final answer here, 57,363. It will be our first answer. Now move on to second question. Second question says, what is the number which is made of 4 10,000s and 9,000s? At first we have to say 4 10,000 here, 4 10,000. So what does it mean? 4 10. 4 tens means 4 tens are 40. 40. So at first we have to write 40,000 here. 4 10,000. 4 10,000 means at first we have to write, we are doing rough at first. 4 10,000 means 40,000, 40 and then thousands, and 9,000s, 9,000, thousands means 3 zeros. So at first we have to rough like this and then we do addition, 0 0 0 9 4, which will be our second answer. So answer of second question will be 49,000. Okay, let's see another one. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, what is the number which is made of 17 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 8,300. So at first 17 lakhs, 17 means 70. So 70 lakhs we have to write at first 70 lakh. So at first we write 70 and then we know that for lakhs we use 5 zeros. So here will be 5 zeros. So this will be 70 lakh. 17 lakhs. 17 lakhs means 70 lakhs. So at first we write 10 lakhs means 70 lakhs. Then 8,000s. Then 8,000s here in the bottom side, and then another 300s here. Finally we have to add these three. At first 0 0 0 0 3, 0 and 8 will be 8, next zeros and 7. So finally we get our answer 700,8300. So which will be our answer? 70 lakh 8,300. Okay, so like this we have to make the answer of next two also. Question number 4, 2 crore, 2 lakh, 2,002. So this is the similar as we want to do rough at first. 2 crore. So let's do 2 crore. 2 crore means we have to use at first 2 and then some zeros. So 2, and we use some zeros, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ojut, lakh, nijut. So we have to give another 0. So total after 2 there will be total 7 zeros. Okay, so this is 2 crore at first. Then 2 lakh. So how we write 2 lakh? We know at first 5 zeros and then 2. So it will be 2 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ojuts and lakhs. So 2 lakh, 2 crore, 2 lakh. Now 2000. So at first we have to write 2 and then 3 zeros. So it will be 2000 and finally 2, only 2. So now if we add these 4 numbers, so 2, here 0, 0, 2 and then 0 and then 2 and then 0 and then 2. So this will be our answer, 2 crore, 2 lakh, 2002. So we write the answer here, 2 lakh, 2 crore, 2 lakh, 2002. So this will be our answer. So like this, we need to find the final answer number of question 5. Question number 5 says, what is the number made of 10 lakhs, 10,000s, 10 hundreds and 10? So we will do the similar way. At first 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means 10 and 5 zeros. At first 10 and then 5 zeros. For lakh we use 5 zeros. So at first we write 10 and then 5 zeros. Then 10,000. At first we write 10 and then 3 zeros. 10 and then 3 zeros. So it will be 10,000. Then 10,100. So at first we write 10 and then for 100 we write 2 zeros. And finally we write 10. Then if we add all these numbers, we will get 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is the final answer, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the answer, which is the number made of 10 lakh, 10,000, 10 hundred and 10. So the number is 10 lakh 11,010. The number becomes 10 lakh 11,010. Now let's write some more questions. All right, question number 6 asks, what is the number made of 127,000? So it's very easy. At first we have to write 127, and then we know that for 1000 we have to write 3 zeros. So we write 3 zeros here. No rough is needed in this question. Now question number 7, how many lakhs are called 1 nijut or 1 million? So we know that if we say any number that like that, this is ones place, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ojut, lakh, then nijut, then crore. So how many lakhs are called 1 nijut or 1 million? How many lakhs? So we know that the answer is 10 lakhs. The answer is 10 lakhs. We call 10 lakh is equal to 1 nijut or 1 million. Then question number 8, how many times larger is 1 lakh than 10,000? How many times larger? How many times larger? That is, if we write 1 lakh and if we write another 10,000, so which one will be larger? Obviously 1 lakh is larger, but question is how many times larger? How many times? So let's see. For solving this question, at first we have to do rough. At first we write 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh, 1 and then 5 zeros. So this will be 1 lakh. And another one we write 10,000. So if we write 10,000, 10 and 3 zeros, this will be 10,000. Now if we cancel all the zeros here, 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So what remain here? 10. In the 1 lakh, the only remaining number is 10. So it will be, the answer will be 10 times. 10 times. 10 times larger. How many times larger is 1 lakh than 10,000? That the answer is 10 times larger. Okay, like this you can solve. The next question, question number 9. Question number 9 asks, how many times larger is 1 crore than 10 lakh or 1 million? We know 10 lakh is called 1 million. So at first again we have to write 1 crore. So 1 crore. This is 1 crore. 1 and then 7 zeros. 1 and after 7 0 it will be 1 crore. Now we have to write 10 lakhs or 1 million. 10 lakhs. So this will be 10 lakh. So this is 10 lakh. So at first we have to write the two numbers 1 crore and 1 million, that is 10 lakh. So at first we write 1 crore and then we write 1 million, that is 10 lakh. And now we cancel all the zeros. If we cancel all the zeros here, so what remains? Only 10. So the answer is 10 times. 10 times larger. The answer is 10 times larger. That is 1 crore is 10 times larger than 10 lakh. Now question number 10 says, put comma in the number 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 appropriately. So what is the rule for using commas? At first we write the number here 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the number which is given in the question. Now you have to put comma, first comma after 3 digits from the right side. From the right side you have to leave 3 digits and then put comma. The first comma will be after 3 digits and every comma will be after 2 digits. That is, the second comma will be after 2 digits. After 2 digits, the second comma will be here, and after 2 digits, the third comma will be here. So like this, after 2 digits, each and every 2 digits you can put comma. But the first we have to leave 3 digits. After 3 digits, we have to use the first comma, and then after every 2 digits, we have to use the comma. This is the right way to use comma. Now let's move on to some more questions. Our next question is, what is the place value of 3 in the number 6871035? This is a big number. What is the place value? We have to find the place value of 3 in this number. So at first we say that the number, if we count, this is ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ojut, then lakh, then nijut, then if there are any digit, that will be crore. So what is the place value? Value of 3. The 3 is in the second position from the right side. So from the right side, the position of 3 is second. So if we need to find the number in this position, at first we have to write the number itself. That is, at first we write this digit 3. That is, the place value of 3 in this number will be, at first we write 3 and then we write 0 instead of this 1 digit. After 3 there will be only 1 digit. So after 3, if there are only 1 digit, then we just put 0 here. 1 digit for 1 zeros. Okay, for 1 digit we write only 1 0. If another one, for example, that is, what is the place value of 1 here? What is the place value of 1? If we need to find the place value of 1, at first we have to write the number 1 and then we see there are 3 digits after 1. After 1 there are 3 digits, so we have to put 3 zeros here. That will be the place value of 1. Like this, what is the place value of 0 in the number? So in this number, what will be the place value of 0? The next question is, what is the place value of 0? So you see that the 0 is here, and after 0 there will be 2 more zeros. So the answer will be 3 zeros. But as you know, 0 means 0, so the place value of 0 in this number is only 0, nothing else. The next question, question number 13, is also same quality of question. What is the place value of 7 in this number? So if we find the number of 7, place value of 7, at first we write 7 here. At first we write 7. So 7 is here, and then after 7 there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So after 7 there are 4 digits. So we have to put 4 zeros here, then we find the place value of 7. These are called place value. These are called place value but not place name. That is, the first place names is ones place, tens place. The question doesn't ask to answer this type of answer, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. No, this question asks what is the place value. So we need to find the place value, not place name. Now question number 14. What is the number next to 999? 999. What is the next number of 900? Next number means we have to add 1. If we add 1 here, 999, if we add 1 here, what will we get? 999 and 1. So if we add, we will get 10, then in hand 1, that will be 10 in hand 1, and that will be 1 in hand 10. So we will get 1000. So the number after 999, that we will get 1000. Okay. Now next question number 15. What is the number before 10,000? Before this number, what is the what does it mean? Before means we need to subtract 1 from the given number. The given number is 10,000. So if we subtract 1 from this number, we'll get 9,999. So the answer is 9,999. So this will be the before number of 10,000. Okay, let's move on to next question. There are 20 questions in one, that is question number 16. At first observe the digits. There are some digits 8, 5, 0, 2, 7. Now there are some question. The first question says make the largest number using the digits only once. That is, we have to make a number which will be largest among them, and we can use this digit only once, that is one digit only once. So the answer of the first number will be largest number. So for writing largest number, we have to write at first the largest digit at first, that is 8 is the largest digit at first, we write 8. Then the next digit is 7, so we write 7 here. Next largest is 5, so we write 5. The next is 2, we write here 2. The next digit is 0, so we write 0. So this is the largest number, that is 87,520. This is the largest number. Now question number 2 asks make largest even number. So this is largest and even, both. There are two conditions here. At first it has to be largest, and then it has to be even number. So for answering this question, at first we have to find the largest number, which already we write in question number 1. So now see whether this is even number or not. So what is even number? If the last digit of any number are 0, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, these are called even number. So the last digit of any number, if the last digit is 0, then it is called even number. If the last number is 2, then it is also called even number. If the last digit is 4 or 6 or 8, all are even numbers. So here this is the largest number and the last digit is 0, so this is also even number. So this answer is also for the second question, make largest even number. This is the largest even number. Okay, now question number 3 asks make odd number, largest odd. This number should be largest and odd. So now let's we write at first the largest number, which already we find in question number 1. This is the largest number, all right. So now we have to make it odd number. So we know that odd number in last digit there are only 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9. These digits are odd digits. So if these digits in the last digit in any number, then it is called odd number. So here we can see in largest number there are only one odd digit, that is 7. So we have to move this 7 in the last position. So we cannot write it here, we have to move it to last position, and then it will be the largest odd number. This is the largest odd number, which is 85,207. Look, 7 in the last position and 7 is the odd number, so it will be largest odd number. All right, now move on to next question. Make the smallest number. Now as we write the largest number as largest digit first, and then there are the smallest digits. So at first for making the smallest number, we have to write the smallest digit first, that is 0, 2, 7, 5, 8. Now, there is a problem here. Sorry. 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. So if we make this number like 0 at first, and then 2, and then 5, and then 7, and then 8, it should be the smallest number. But we know beginning with 0, the number is not actually a number. The number must start with a non-zero number. That is, with 0, if any number starts with 0, that is actually not a number. So we need to, this is not the answer. The answer will be if we replace 2 and 0 here. If we write 2 at first and then 0, and the other digits are okay, then it will be the answer, correct answer. So the smallest number will be 20,578 using these numbers. All right, I hope you understand. Now move on to next question. Make the smallest even number. Make the smallest even number. So at first we have to write the smallest number. At first we know the smallest number is 20578. Now if we see that this is the even number or not, this is the smallest number, and also this is the even number because the last digit is 8 and 8 is a even digit. So this is the answer of question number 5 also. Look here, the answer of question number 4 and 5 are same. Now question number 6, the last question. Make smallest odd number. Make the smallest odd. So at first we have to write the smallest number here. As usual, the smallest number is this one. Now this should be odd number. So in the last digit, the number should be odd. So we have to move the 7 into the last position because 7 is the only smallest odd digit here. So if we move 7 in the last digit, the answer will be 20,587. This is the smallest odd number using these digits. And there are some many problems in your textbook like this in page number 17 or 18. So I hope you have a nice idea on some short questions, and you will practice because more and more like this type of question by changing the digits at home, because you know the question will not appear in the exam exactly same what I teach here. You have to practice a lot. Okay, all right. We will our next topic will be short question part 2, and till then goodbye.